Good morning children. Welcome to science class. Children, now I will discuss about chapter 14, that is pollution in the environment. So children, open your book and see page number 136. Okay. So what is pollution? The harmful changes that occur in the environment due to human activity is called pollution. Then pollution is everywhere all over planet Earth. There is no place on the planet left without pollution. And you eat, drink, and breathe it all the time. All this can make you sick or even kill you. Okay. So first of all, we discuss about air pollution. Vehicles and factories are the main sources of air pollution. The fuels used in vehicles, that is petrol and diesel, release a harmful gas called carbon monoxide into the air. Hydrocarbons are produced when petrol is not fully burnt. Factories burn fuels like coal, oil and gas and release a lot of soot, dust and poisonous fumes. Breathing air containing harmful gases can cause disease of the lungs and the heart. It can make your blood impure. Not just this, air pollution can also cause acid rain. Then what is acid rain? The water vapor in the air mixes with the harmful gases and goes up to form clouds. The clouds condense and fall as rain. This is called acid rain. It contains harmful substances in it. It can harm you and all the living things on the earth. Then air pollution can also cause climate change. It refers to general changes in climate patterns including temperature, precipitation, winds and other factors. These changes affect both living and non-living things. You know that the rays of the sun warm the earth and the heat from the earth then travels back into the atmosphere. The gases in the atmosphere stop some of the heat from escaping into space. These gases, mainly water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and ozone, called the greenhouse gases. So these gases are children greenhouse gases. Okay. Make sure that the earth's temperature remains constant. But some human activities also produce greenhouse gases. Burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil and natural gas like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Cutting down of trees increase the carbon dioxide in the air. There are other gases called the chlorofluorocarbons which are produced from various appliances and sprays we use at home. These chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs destroy the protective layer of the atmosphere called the ozone layer. So these greenhouse gases are children important for us, but excess gases are dangerous also. Because the greenhouse gases keep increasing in the temperature or atmosphere, more and more heat is trapped and the earth gets warmer. This is called global warming. As a result of global warming, Most places will get warmer while some places will get cooler. Some areas will have more rain but others will have less rain. The water in the seas and oceans will expand. Ice will melt in the cold regions and flow into the sea. This will cause the sea levels to rise and this leads to flood. Okay. These areas, some of the areas will be risk from floods. Some other areas which gets less rain will be at risk from drought. This can affect the growth of crops. All this can lead to shortage of food for people. They may even die if the condition become unbearable. Animals also cannot survive when there are huge changes in the environment. Then comes to water pollution. Water pollution can come from different sources. Industries are the major sources of water pollution. Many toxic waste are dumped into rivers, lakes and oceans. Nuclear waste produced by nuclear stations are also released into water. Oceans are polluted by oil spills from ships. Oil does not dissolve in water and it forms a thick sludge in water. This suffocates fish and other marine creatures. The feathers of water birds get caught in the oil. The oil in the oceans blocks sunlight, so the plants that live in water cannot receive it. Hence, they cannot prepare food, as a result of which they die. A lot of household waste and agricultural waste are dumped into water. People wash clothes, bath, pass urine, or even defecate near water sources. Drinking this water can cause waterborne diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, cholera and gastroenteritis. Okay, accident can also cause water pollution. It gets into the soil and pollutes the groundwater. It also pollutes the soil, thereby affecting the growth of plants. Then land pollution. Land pollution is mainly caused by human activity. As pollution increases, you need to make space for all the people. So, more and more trees are cut down to make more houses. Let's see what happens when you do this. Cutting down trees washes away the topsoil and causes soil erosion. The carbon dioxide in the air increases and you will have less oxygen to breathe. It can also mean a lot of trouble for animals. Trees are home to many birds and wild animals. When they are cut down, these creatures lose their habitat. Trees also bring rain. When they are cut down, you don't get enough rain. As a result, there will not be enough water for all your needs. Trees keep the earth cool. Without trees, the earth gets warmer. Then biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Children, what are biodegradable waste? The waste that are broke down in the soil is known as biodegradable waste. For example, waste of vegetables. Then non-biodegradable waste. The waste that cannot be broken down in the soil are known as non-biodegradable waste. Okay. Then noise pollution. Noise pollution comes from various sources like traffic noise is the main source of noise pollution. With the ever increasing number of vehicles on the road, the sound caused by the vehicles is the chief source of noise pollution. Aircraft can also be a source of noise pollution in areas near the airport. Then effects of noise pollution. It can cause discomfort in the ear and even deafness in some people. It affects our concentration or even diverts our attention. Noise can also make us tired easily. In some people, it can lead to high blood pressure and nervous problems. Noise can disturb rest and sleep. Not just you, it can disturb plants and animals too. And too much of noise can weaken and shake structures like buildings. Okay. So children, this is the chapter of pollution. You read this chapter once again and learn the points and the causes of pollution and what are the effects of pollution. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.